Hey guys, okay, welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another episode of Car DIY. Alright, so for last week's episode, as you know, the car broke down, okay, but it's up and going again. Okay, and for today's episode will be something super easy. Alright, as you know, all my videos are, very easy, fast, easy, but this one is really easy, okay, because today I actually got a carbon fiber spoiler for the car. Right, so for this one, okay, it's written here, it's for the F10. Yep. Right, so for this one, right, it's not the PSM. Okay, there's a PSM one going on which is slightly higher. This one is not that high, okay, but it's not that low as well. Right, so for today, we are going to show you how we fix it. Right, so trust me, it's a short one. Right, so before we start the video, okay, for those of you who are new here, please remember to like and subscribe. Okay, we have more videos like this coming up. Alright, so without further ado, let's go! Guys, okay, that's the end of the whole install. Whole install really took 5 minutes. This one is super fast. Just make sure it's equal on both sides. Alright, and you saw how I pull out the tape, right? That's the secret. Okay, it's a technique that I've seen some of the YouTubers do it, and I feel it's really good. Alright, so guys, I hope you guys have enjoyed this one. Okay, if you like this, please remember to like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Alright, so stay safe, stay healthy, guys. Okay, happy modding your car. Bye.